everybody. Okay, so we gotta have a look at Metamixer Plus. Okay, now this is an add-on to Metamixer Toolkit, and I've been in two minds about this one, thinking, is it worth it? Is it not? So let's have a look at it. Coming from a complete noob kind of a way, I've gone through it very quickly once, but this is an overview and what to expect if you're going to pick it up. So I've loaded an 8.1 Woolmaze, 8.1 Woolmaze. Once you've done that, then what you want to do is just look up Meta. You're going to go into the original toolkit and you're going to just go to all files and run the setup, okay? Metamixer setup right here. Boom. Have your character selected. Now this only works on an 8 and 8.1. It doesn't work on 9, unfortunately, but I'm sure there's a hell of a lot to do to get it working for 9. But 8, 8.1, make sure character selected, click setup right after you've done that. Right after you've done that, go back and get the Metamixer Plus. And all you got to do here is run this one, Metamixer Plus. Boom. Now let me just go into the camera view so you can see if you've done it right. Right? See that? Now I'm going to click Metamixer Plus. And boom, we got them plus right there on the screen. Okay, on the screen. So you've got the Metamixer Plus there. And the next thing you need to do is go to Window and say Panes and open up Power Pose. Okay? Once you open up Power Pose, you're going to see this. And you're going to think to yourself, God damn, this ain't showing me my stuff. Just go to your scene, open up your 8.1, open up here, Metamixer Camera. If I click on Metamixer Widget Root and I go back to Power Pose, this is all the old stuff. This is all the old stuff. Goddamn. How do you get rid of this? Okay, we can't get rid of that. But this is all the old things that you get here. Okay. So we don't kind of want. How do you? Thank you. So we don't want any of this. We want the new stuff, right? And in order to get the new stuff, just go to Scene, click that Metamixer widget down, and click on Metamixer Plus. There it is. Now go back to your Power Pose. And now it's just going to template and select anything, just once off. And there we go. Now we're on Plus, okay? It just switches over to Plus. So I'm going to, all of these can be accessed directly from your face. Where is this thing now? Base genetic. Let me just make sure. Okay, so I got that Metamixer Plus. We good. We good. And we're in Power Pose, right? The one thing we've got to do is add them faces. So just go into your Metamixer toolkit, go to not the plus, the normal one, and go to shaping and just fill in these things. Now all you got to do here is just double click on them, that's all. So I'm going to fill in an A. I'm going to fill in a B. Oh, it's the same character. I shouldn't have done that. I'll fill in a B with a different kind of character, and I'll put in a C, okay? So A, B, C, you just got to make sure that it says B, A next to them here. Fill in an A, B, C, and then you get all of this stuff, right? So now if I click on one of these, it'll just refresh it for you. And everything that's over here, you can do down here. See, this will swap the different sides of the face. This will swap the back of the head, the other side of the back of the head, the front of the head, and the other side of the head, okay? Also here, you can switch symmetry off, and you can switch it on. Now, look how many cool things you've got there. That is cradle cray. I'm just going to zoom up, and you can see here how many different morphs you have. I mean, you've got a million different morphs here. You can do a lot of stuff. Now, this, for me, is kind of ultimate. It gives you such power. I was quite skeptical about getting it. I thought if I had the other one, do I really need this one? But this one gives you a lot of power over the littlest features of your character, and I find this quite incredible actually. I really like it a lot. So for me, this is a kind of a no-brainer. I mean, if you're into making your own characters and you like the absolute power of your character, this is a fantastic one to have, and you can go extreme. Obviously, you can go extreme, and you've got control over every little aspect of this. I think it's pretty damn cool. Look at this. This is awesome. Wow. So I can honestly say that this is quite cool. This is quite cool. This shows a lot of promise, and the things that you can do is pretty damn cool. It is. Let's see if I just. So if I take this and that moves it in and out. Okay, so yeah, I mean, I want that nose to go out, but how do you do that? Maybe these are just widths or whatever, and these are just front, back, front. Okay, yeah, these are exactly what these are. So if I click on there, you'll see that this changed. If I click on that one, you'll see that this changed. So that's just that. This does nothing. Okay, so here's the controls. Sideways, back and forward, sideways, back and... Oh, hold up. That could answer it. Yes. So if you hold down right click, it's in and out, and left click is sideways. That's awesome. That is powerful, yow. Check this out. Boom. That is really cool, man. This is awesome. This is a really cool little thing. This is awesome. Wow. So this, I can take the neck and I can bring it in or out. Look. And if I just left click, it's up and down. So it does different axes. That is cool, man. In and out, back and forth. Look at that. Oh, man. Okay, you have absolute control over every aspect of your character. That is really cooling. Since there's no limits, you can go so crazings. You can go absolutely crazings with the stuff. This is beautiful. Let's see here. Open that up a bit. I mean, that's pretty cool. Yeah, this is awesome. This is really cool. I mean, if you want to get into detail and spend intricate time getting intricate details, you can do this with this. This is nice. I mean, if you're into making your characters, I think this is a kind of a no-brainer. You can use left and right click, so it goes on different axes, either in or out, left or right. And this is nice, man. This will be useful for 9. I mean, this is how they should do all of their character. I mean, the morphs and stuff, the sliders, that's all fine. It all works fine. But this is complete control and accuracy. I do like this.